Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage bread. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh cabbage, all-purpose flour, and active dry yeast. Ensure your cabbage is finely shredded for the best texture and even distribution throughout the dough. Next, proof your yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar to activate it properly. Finally, combine all these elements thoroughly in a large mixing bowl to begin your dough. Now let's prepare the cabbage. Sauté your finely shredded cabbage until it's tender and slightly softened, then set it aside to cool completely. This step is crucial for the bread's texture. While the cabbage cools, knead your dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Afterward, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into equal portions. Now, it's time to incorporate the cooled cabbage. Carefully fold the tender cabbage into each dough portion, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Shape your dough into your desired bread forms, whether loaves or rolls. Place the shaped bread on a baking sheet, cover it loosely, and allow it to rise for a second time until visibly puffy. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cabbage bread for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. This indicates it's cooked through. Once baked, transfer the bread to a wire rack and let it cool completely before slicing. Enjoy your homemade, delicious cabbage bread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.